Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about group problems. As the name indicates, the total work is done by different group of people. It is one of the most important types in time and work. So, first problem. 5 men or 8 women can reap a field in 12 days. Find the number of days taken by 3 men and 4 women to reap the same field. Okay. So here 3 different groups are given. First group 5 men, second group 8 women, and third group 3 men and 4 women. Okay, now 5 men or 8 women can reap a field in 12 days. So 5 men have to work for 12 days or 8 women have to work for 12 days, then only my total work will be over. Like other problems, here also we are supposed to find the total work and also the individual efficiency. Here, 2 different people are involved, men and women. So we are supposed to find the efficiency of men and women. Okay. Now, from this, easily we can find the efficiency of men and women, because 12 and 12 will get cancelled. So men by women ratio is nothing but 8 by 5. So if a man is able to do 8 units in a day, then a woman can do 5 units in a day. Okay. Now, what is the total work? 5 men have to work for 12 days. So instead of men, I can substitute 8. So nothing but 40 into 12, 480 units. To cross check this value, substitute in the next group. 8 women working for 12 days. Instead of women, substitute 5. Again, 5 8s are 40, 40 into 12, 480. So now, this 480 units must be completed by this 3 men plus 4 women. So instead of men, substitute 8. Instead of women, substitute 5. So 24 plus 20. So in one day, these 3 men and 4 women can do 44 units. So how long it will take for them to complete the entire 480 units? 480 divided by 44. So it will be 10.9. So I can consider approximately 10 days. Okay. Now the second problem. 2 women and 5 men can complete a piece of work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men can complete a piece of work in 4 days. So this is my first group. Now what is the second group? If the same work is completed by 3 women and 6 men, it will take 3 days to complete the work. Okay. See, no need to mention actually. So find the time taken by 1 man and 1 woman to do the same work. Now, as I already told you, we should come up with the efficiency and then the total work. Okay, so multiply 4 here. 4 2s are 8 women plus 5 4s are 20 men equals to 9 women plus 18 men. So 9 women minus 8 women, it will become 1 woman equals to 2 men. So what is the men by women ratio? 1 by 2. So if a man is able to do 1 unit in a day, a woman can do 2 units. Okay, so what is the total work? Instead of men, substitute 1. Instead of women, substitute 2. Okay, so 4 plus 5, 9 into 4, 36 units. Now, cross check here also. So 3 women, nothing but 6 units plus 6 men. So 6 units. 12 into 3, again the same 36 units. Okay. Now, one man can do 1 unit and 1 woman can do 2 units. So nothing but 3 units per day. So how long it will take to complete the entire 36 units? 12 days. This is done. Thank you.